Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show the ruler in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and go to the corresponding document. And from here I just have to click on View and here I find the option Show Ruler. If I click on it, the ruler is displayed up here. I could also hide the ruler again the same way. It should also be noted that this function is not saved globally in Google Docs, but can be switched on or off individually for each document. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!